Welcome to this quick demo of the kvCORE system. Up on the screen, you'll see a pop-up prompting a user to opt in to see properties on your site. And I wanted to mention this first because we focus here with kvCORE on making sure that if you send your site's visitors and traffic, there's a good chance that they'll convert. And in fact, all over North America, our sites convert right in the 10 to 15% range consistently to Google pay-per-click traffic. So everybody on your team gets a full IDX website, mobile optimized with lots of search options that your leads and your customers will love using. Now let's jump into the back end so you can see how kvCORE will help you convert these leads into closed transactions. So here we are in a typical kvCORE dashboard, and the first thing you'll notice is that all the activity of the people who are recently searching on your site will show up front and center right here. And what this does is it allows you and everybody on your team to quickly cherry pick the activity stream and notice who is actively searching on your site. So good practice would be to reach out to all these leads from day to day. Another thing the system is very good at is prompting your agents and everybody on your team to make calls and knock out tasks every day that will help make sure they're building their businesses consistently. Now let's jump into the Smart CRM, which will allow you to see all of your leads in the different stages of the typical real estate pipeline, which if I hit this filter button up here, you'll see is split up into sphere, prospect, new lead, active lead, client, contract closed, and archived. And you have the ability to slice and dice all of your leads here in the system and know exactly what's going on with your database at any time. You can also quickly check off segments of leads, mass email, mass text, and do things like assign a co-marketing lender to your leads. Now, lender integration here is a priority with kvCORE, and your leads can be sent in. You can do co-marketing and have leads assigned automatically to your lender as well. Next thing I'd like to show you is marketing autopilot, which is sort of the engine that will make sure your leads are seeing the exact right communications at the exact right time. And you have tons of configuration options here with our smart campaigns. You can do all kinds of great stuff, such as sending emails, sending texts. You can even push webhooks out into third-party systems like Zapier.com that will allow you to integrate kvCORE with lots of other systems and programs that you might be using. So marketing autopilot gives you lots of power with respect to following up with your leads and make sure they turn into closed deals. While I'm on this screen, I'll also mention that kvCORE has a mobile dialer. You can do things such as schedule mass emails at points in the future. You can toggle settings for behavioral automation and set up search alerts, which is very cool for all of your leads. It's a very powerful part of the system where you can set up alerts automatically based on different hashtags and sources that you're using with the system. For example, if you have a lead coming in for a specific town from a Google ad, you can tell the system, hey, start sending these people this type of property from the database on a regular basis. So marketing autopilot, lots of sophisticated behavioral automation and other follow-up features in there. Next feature I'd like to show you is the lead engine. This is very exciting. We have a number of features. You can build landing pages very easily. Let me do that here and just show you how easy it is to build a quick little landing page. Say you want to offer a list of foreclosures in a specific area or a list of income properties, right? So free weekly list of income properties in Tampa. You can quickly create this link. You can set a hashtag, as you can see up here. In this area, you can set your background, upload your own image, or set different templated backgrounds for this page, and basically come up with all different lead generation offers that will allow leads to come into your system from all different areas. There is the lead drop box, which basically lets you sync from any lead source, realtor.com, Zillow, etc. Have those leads coming in automatically. You can build IDX squeeze pages, which are similar to landing pages, except they show the list of properties right away. So say that same idea, if I was going to do price reduced properties, see right here, to reduce properties in a specific area, I can quickly set all those parameters, run an ad on Facebook, right? Track it all right here with the source information. And then as the leads come in, have the automatic search alerts configured as I just mentioned. So you can build search links for PPC advertising very quickly. You can also build single property pages, seller squeeze pages, and you can do our market reports about specific areas very quickly and generate leads around those as well. Next thing I'll show you here is that you and everybody on our team has lots of configuration options with respect to your website. You can choose a couple of different templates. You can change some of the colors. You can embed third-party scripts if you want into the site, if you're doing retargeting, things of that nature. It's all configurable, and you have lots of options here. You have a blog, you can embed widgets, just lots going on with the actual front end of the site that you have the ability to configure here at kvCORE. Next thing I'd like to point out very quickly, remember this is a quick demo. If it sounds like I'm moving too fast, this is intentional. We're going to give you the chance to click a button somewhere near this video to get a longer one-on-one demo with somebody on our team, but I just want to give you the broad strokes right now. Next thing I'm showing you here is the business analytics section. This is very, very cool. You can kind of track all of your leads as they come in, not directly from the source. So for example, if you're running a Twitter ad, right, you can set the source as Twitter, and you can track the ROI, the transaction volume created from that specific source as leads reach closed status. So you can really measure which sources are generating business for your company. And this business analytics section, it's sliceable and diceable in many different ways. It's a very, very cool feature, especially if you like to watch your numbers and make sure you're spending money where you should be. And the final thing I'll point out in this very quick demo is that all of the agents on your team will have access to a few other things, namely the marketplace and our learning portal. And let me talk about both of those. The marketplace here is where your agents can go and push button order leads coming into their system. That's just one example. They could use our core property boost to get quick exposure for their listings, generate leads directly off Facebook, real name, email, cell number, have reports automatically sent to their sellers. They can come in and order Facebook buyer leads or set up Google PPC campaigns with the push of a button. And as you'll see me scrolling here, we have a growing library of add-ons and options and integrations that are available to your team through the marketplace. Now, the learning portal, which I also just mentioned, is where everybody on your team can go and really learn not only how to use kvCORE, the basics of it, but how to use third-party traffic sources like Facebook, like Google, how to post for free on social media to generate leads, or how to spend money for pay-per-click to generate leads. All that information is here in the learning portal. It's a growing library, and your agents are going to get great value out of that, as well as weekly webinars that we hold for anybody who wants to attend, who wants to get a live experience on this type of content. You'll also notice here, again, that we are focused on making sure your lenders can get involved. We have a great class here for your mortgage lenders that they can engage with in the learning portal as well. So there we have it. There's a very quick tour of the kvCORE platform. I didn't touch much on the different ways that you can manage multiple offices, multiple teams within your business. This thing is built to handle the smallest teams all the way up to large multi-office enterprises. So if you're sitting there thinking, can this do what I need it to do? The answer is probably yes. And if you want to learn more, just click the link or the button or call the phone number that you see somewhere near this video. And we look forward to speaking with you soon about kvCORE. Thanks for watching.